So hey guys, it's about 9:37 me recording this video, and as you can see, I've got a bee in my thing. If you wanna know how was I able to do it, I had to trap it inside the refrigerator, which took a while, and then after I did that, I threw a few things at it, and I gently waited until I had a chance to put it inside something. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah, I'm just gonna make the ants drunk. Yeah, I like how the ant's actually trying to succeed, but then doesn't, and miraculously fails. I mean, this may be actual torture, but I mean, hey, it's been torturing me too. I mean, technically, they should make things fair. So yeah. I'm gonna see you guys pretty soon, and time for me to kill this little guy. Bye!